everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Well, today I'm going to be planting some squash, and this is called early straight neck yellow squash, and I'm going to be planting some in pots, and then the rest is going to be going in ground in the garden. I plant some in pots first, only because I like to get some starter plants going for my neighbors, my community, and some family members. So let's get started on this. Now, I picked these up, these seeds up at Rural King. They were 89 cents a pack. And let's open up a package so you can see what the seeds look like. That's what the seeds look like. Okay. Now, if you were to do these on like a hill, like the same if you were to do pumpkins, okay, 6 to 8 seeds per hill. You want to do these 3 inches apart, okay. Now, if I were to do the hills, like I'm going to be doing in the garden, but because I'm going to be doing these in pots first, the hills have to be 3 to 4 feet apart. Now with the pumpkins, those hills had to be 4 to 6 feet apart. Okay, now germination with these is 10 to 14 days. That's when you'll start to see little sprouts. And days to maturity is 42 to 56 days. So that's not too bad for early straight neck yellow squash. Okay, so you want to plant these about 1 inch deep. Okay, now I used my favorite combo with the container soil, my compost, and cow manure. So let's get going. I'm going to put 3 seeds in each pot. I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pots, but I'm only going to be doing about 4 pots because I do have some other seeds that are going in the other pots. So let's do 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then I will put some soil on top of that. And the rest of these, because I have 2 envelopes with these seeds, the rest of these will go into the garden, and I will make little hills just like I did with the pumpkins. Got this bag of soil here, so I'll just use this up. Alright, you know what, for these bigger pots, I'm just going to put a little bit extra on top, just to make sure they are that inch down. All right. And then I will water these as soon as I put them on the ground. All right. That is all for this video. Have a wonderful day. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.